because of that.
We are getting ready to go eat pupusas because for Perry, breakfast didn't fill him up. It filled me up because I'm not that hungry anymore. But Perry still wants to have pupusas. We're gonna be trying pupusas in like just different ways because I also heard it's very cheap. Whereas in America, I think it's like $2 for a pupusa. I think here it's like 50 cents. So I don't know. Eat pupusas. You know what I want? Acai. We're gonna walk around. We need to get medicine because whatever I had, Perry got it. And so now Perry's sick. But yeah, we are gonna do that. Okay, so it is the next day. We are going to go to a walking tour. It's not a free walking tour. It was like $15. But we're gonna go on a walking tour today. And are you ready?
I'm ready. How come
I'm ready too. I have my shoes on.
Videography.
Okay, we're gonna go.
I'm not ready.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Did you bring a shirt?
No.
Oh. It is about 7 a.m. and we are going to be going to the bus to go to Santa Ana, the volcano Santa Ana, taking the bus to Santa Ana, and it leaves at 7:40, but our guide from yesterday told us to get there around 7:30 or like even earlier if we could, just because there's only one bus. I don't know how true that is, but yeah, he said there's only one bus. And then yeah, so we're gonna meet up with some people. I think just one girl from our group yesterday. We're gonna meet her at the bus station, and then we're gonna go. But I literally forgot to bring like shorts, like exercise shorts. And this is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like my shirt and then I'm wearing leggings. Like, I'm wearing my shirt and my leggings. I'm gonna get so hot. Yeah. I'm gonna get so hot and I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully I'm okay, but I know I'm gonna get so hot. This is my breakfast. I think this is beans, egg, avocado, and bread. Now I have to inhale this because we need to go quickly. You have to get a guide.
I have to get a guide. Oh.
Osvaldo. Buenos días. ¿Estamos?
Damn, he's faking in jeans.
Okay, va. Si estamos listos, los de servicio de guías conmigo.
Oh my god, I only have 80% left on my thing. Okay, we're currently in line to pay the entrance for the volcano. There's a line. What it looks like. Bathrooms are there, and it's free. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But currently hiking up. We just paid at the entrance. We're currently hiking up. Not the easiest hike, but not the hardest hike we've ever done either. Look, you can see a little house over there. Look at that. That. Okay, one more. Oh.
Doesn't sound too good.
That doesn't sound. Okay, let's go out here. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. We're walking back up. I don't know how far it is, but the guide was like, this is the tallest volcano in El Salvador. But it's not the tallest like mountain or volcano in El Salvador. Well, mountain. Tallest thing in El Salvador. Yeah, he said the tallest thing in El Salvador is the mountain. Oh yeah. I'm tired though. I have to put my hair up. It was sticking to the back of my neck.
That's that breeze going. Workouts in and stuff.
I'm so tired. We're in human traffic.
We played. You played lacrosse all growing up in college.
He's nice.
Yeah, he's nice.
I think her ankle. We are making our way to the crater now. The volcano? It's a crater, right?
Yeah, just I think there's a lake in there.
There's a lake in there. We made it. We made it. Can you see it? Good or not that great?
Good. Sulfur gases?
Probably. You can't see it that
I
well.
don't smell it, right?
Okay, so we're walking on the other side. Oh, do not want
If you
to.
got balls, that's probably a great shot. We're up there, but
Oh my god, no.
mango.
Ah! I'm slipping. Currently up. Oh, can't even see my face. Currently up and looking down at the crater. Smells like rotten eggs. Sulfur. Looks yellow. Green. The color really comes out when the sun shines on it. We have to get ready at wait, was it 11:50?
11:50. They want to
Okay, yeah, and then it's like a 30-minute descent. So we should. It's like 11. I think 11:45.
47.
47. So 3 minutes left. I am at the entrance of the park, and Perry's pooping right now. It's 12:53. He said it takes 8 minutes to get down to the parking lot / road where the bus is gonna pick us up. So we're currently walking downhill. The guide said to just keep going up to the bus stop. It's about, I actually don't know what time it is, but he says the bus never, it's unusual if it comes before 1. So I think we're making good time. We're probably gonna get there at like 1:05. Yeah. He says sometimes it comes at 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:30. Look what Barry's doing. It looks like wood.
Yeah, it does look like wood.
I go downhill, I go downhill, I go downhill, I go downhill. 106. 106. Well, technically 105 when we got down, but it just turned 106. But we are back at the entrance where the bus left us, so yeah, we're gonna just wait around, you know, for the bus. I don't think there's any food around here. Let's check by the road.
What, they charge you 40 cents to use the toilet? I bet you guys, you son of a bitch.
But what is she selling?
I don't know.
Oh my god, we are back from the volcano hike. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I have a nose strip right now because Perry's been wanting me to do one, but we ate sandwiches. I don't have any pictures of it because we literally devoured that thing. I was so hungry. And then I want to get a massage, but I don't know what Perry wants. I'm going to try to convince him to get a massage with me. Yeah, and then I think tonight we're going to go to a secret bar.